Hello again. Are these your friends?
Kind of.
All of these are your friends. Are these magpies? The ones right here?
I don't know the names of those. I know about the parakeet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mostly come here for the parakeet.
This guy looks a lot like a magpie. And then, the parakeets are the green ones.
Yeah.
And this little guy is a finch. Those
Yeah.
little guys are like a nut finch.
Those are the ones that I'm here for.
Oh, you're here for the finch?
Yeah.
Why?
They come to you.
They come to you?
Yeah.
And they feed out of your hand?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Can I take it on video?
They go and come, so...
They go and come, yeah.
Usually keep them here. Let me see if I can get one. No picture. No, it's not for you. Leave.
Oh, he thinks it's for him.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Keep him preoccupied. Now the nut finch is left.
Still there.
Oops, so the pigeons are...
Come.
Oh, look at the little one.
Yeah, it's trying to train them to come to you because they don't usually come.
Okay. No, I think he grabbed something. Very briefly. Oh my God, the magpie is gorgeous. There he is. He's come back now. I can imagine they get a little aggressive sometimes too. This magpie is gorgeous. Did you see when he opened his wings?
Yeah.
There's a few different ones in the afternoon.
Uh-huh.
Like loads of different ones, tiny ones.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Sorry, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, this guy's got a beautiful wingspan.
Yeah.
Now the giant crow is here. Enjoy, guys.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.